Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a sensitive but important topic, the top reasons why couples cheat. Look, let's be real. Nobody wants to talk about this, but sweeping it under the rug isn't going to help anybody. We need to bring this out in the open. Stay tuned to understand the underlying causes and how to address them. We're going to get real and honest about this, so buckle up. You know, a lot of people think cheating is just about sex, but that's only part of the story. Many times it's about a lack of emotional connection. When you feel ignored, unimportant, or just plain invisible to your partner, resentment builds. You start to look for that connection somewhere else. Someone who makes you feel heard, understood, appreciated. Now, I'm not saying it's right, but it's what happens. You gotta nurture that emotional bond, folks. That's the foundation of a strong relationship. Listen, disagreements are a normal part of any relationship, but when you let those arguments fester and grow, they become toxic. It's like having a piece of dirty laundry you keep stuffing in the back of the closet. Eventually, it's going to stink up the whole room. Unresolved conflicts lead to resentment, anger, and a whole lot of frustration. And let me tell you, that's a recipe for disaster. People who feel constantly attacked or criticized at home may seek comfort and validation elsewhere. Look, we live in a world full of temptation. The internet, social media, you name it, it's all a breeding ground for potential affairs. Now, I'm not saying you should lock your partner in a dungeon, but you need to be aware of the risks. If you're constantly putting yourself in compromising situations, sooner or later, you're gonna slip up. Be smart, set boundaries, and don't play with fire. Let's talk about sex, baby. Look, physical intimacy is a crucial part of a romantic relationship. When the spark fades and you're no longer satisfied in the bedroom, it can create a major rift. Now, I understand that people's needs change over time, and that's okay. But you gotta communicate. Don't suffer in silence, talk to your partner, spice things up, and make an effort. Ignoring the problem won't make it go away, it'll just push you further apart. Everybody wants to feel desired, appreciated, and special. But some people, they seek that validation in all the wrong places. They cheat because it gives them a temporary boost of ego, a sense of excitement and conquest. Now, this usually stems from deeper issues, like low self-esteem or past hurts. If you're constantly seeking validation outside your relationship, you need to take a good hard look in the mirror and ask yourself why. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, understanding the reasons behind infidelity can help in building stronger, more resilient relationships. We gotta face these tough topics head-on, folks. Don't be afraid to have those uncomfortable conversations, to address the issues that are driving you apart.